What's up, y'all? I'm gonna teach y'all how to cook. Okay, got Oreos, Coca-Cola, a bowl, and just a dab of butter in the microwave. But first, I'm gonna need you to like and subscribe, and we're gonna get to the pure motivation.
You might be smarter, your family might come from privilege, your daddy might own a company, but you will not outwork me.
You're gonna need is a food stamp card. We pull around here, we gotta have a food stamp card. First of all, you get the Oreos, break it apart like that. Card, slide that cream on the inside of this bowl right here. You're purely motivated to do it. Slide in that cream. You're gonna get a big bowl of cream right here. But you wanna make sure the cookie is really clean. Gotta make sure the cookie's really clean. Got a big bowl of ice right here. Now we're gonna worry about that in a second. Right now, we gotta worry about all the cookies. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna throw this in the bag first. These cookies in the bag. While I'm doing this, make sure you like and subscribe. And after you watch this video, make sure you check out my other videos where I'll be speaking motivation. I'm a motivational speaker. That's what I do. Cookies in the bag. So got the cream inside the bowl. Now what you gotta do is get motivated. Say you got some anger. Say you're stressed out. This the time to take it out. Punch it a little. Do a little CPR. Sometimes the cookies need to be smashed to pieces. You want to make sure it's a fine powder, that good powder. You know, that powder you're gonna eat and you're gonna feel good because you just ate that chocolate powder. I'll smash it, make it feel good. Sometimes that chocolate just needs to feel good, man. You don't want no clumps. No clumps at all. Pure powdered chocolate out of Oreos. Get it broken up to little chunks. You want to smash it with a cup or something that you can smash it with. You should roll on it, something like that. You know, just make sure it's like dust. Chocolate dust. Make sure it's chocolate dust. Just gotta make sure, because it ain't gonna cook right with clumps in it. Alright, we got the cake. It's powdered. The cookies is powdered. Now what you want to do is get the can of Coca-Cola. When open that Coca-Cola, I'm going to pour about half the can in. It's going to fizz up, don't worry about that. We'll shake it up a little. Make sure it all gets moist. Make sure it all gets moist if we good. Shake it up a little like that. Now, you're going to need a spoon to stir it up a little. Stir this up a little like this. You want to make sure it's all moist and all wet, but still kind of thick. It won't look like cake though. Boom. Now check it out. This is what it won't look like. Right there. Nice and cake doughy. Nothing but Coke and Oreos. Now what we're gonna do? First we're gonna stuff it. Now we're gonna throw it in the microwave. we want to put the microwave on for, I'd say, 3 minutes to start. We just want it to be good cake texture. And now I'm gonna show y'all. You want just a little piece of butter, just a little piece of butter. Drop that in there. That's gonna help it soak up and get cooked right. We'll pour a little more Coca in this. Then what we'll do is we'll microwave this and we'll stir it up. We'll have a cream. Coca-Cola, that's when you can just good old Coca-Cola. Do anything with it. Okay, texture. It's all good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw our ice in the microwave probably for about 45 seconds a minute. Just give it time to melt and everything. You don't want this cake to sit in the bowl too long. So you want to get the cake, you want to flip it right over onto a plate. Bam. Now it ain't going to turn out perfect every time. It takes years of practice to get to this. But we got our cake and we're gonna get this done in a second. This should be turned into a cream. But here's what we're gonna do is fix the icing. Peanut butter. Drop peanut butter in there. Peanut butter thick and it tastes good. You cannot have too much peanut butter. Get motivated to eat the peanut butter. And you want to stir that up and thicken it up to an icing. Little runny is gonna be alright. Check this out. Here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna pour this icing all over the cake. And now, folks, you got chocolate cake out the microwave with nothing but Coca-Cola, icing out of the Oreos, the Oreo cookie, and a little peanut butter. Keep it ready, keep it grinding, and keep cooking.